Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating some lanterns for the fall. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorate a Lantern Open Collaboration. This is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Today we have At Home with Lisa. We have Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jean Home Decor, and more. We have Juvalee and Sonia down south. Now the theme of this collaboration is sunflowers. As in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Remember to always click the like button and leave a beautiful comment because this can make someone's day. Now also remember to full watch the video from beginning to end and also run the playlist. Now I'm absolutely loving this wooden lantern. So this was an item that was on I think it was in the reduced area of Home Goods when I was back home in Pennsylvania. And I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it exactly other than it needed a battery for that LED light. And so that's what I did. There was nothing wrong with this at all. This was an amazing buy. And now I'm appreciating the wood element about this. So we're going to go ahead and decorate this lantern and my grand lantern for the fall. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the video. Now, I do want to thank each and every person that participated in this collaboration. I realize it is a large one and I am loving it. And I also appreciate those that are watching to support us. Now I'm really enjoying the rustic decor here. I love adding the bows and the leaves around that LED light. I think this lantern came out absolutely beautiful. Now we place the last leaf in place and we are done with this one, ready to move on to the next one. Beautiful. All right, guys, so I had to run back and get 2 pine cones, and I think this completes the look. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so we are cleaning off what I call my grand lantern, and then we're going to start decorating it. Let's see how this one comes out. All right, so we are tying the bow to the top of that lantern, and now look at this candle. This was a thrifted item, and I absolutely love it. I love that rustic look. Moving things around until I like the placement, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. I think these lanterns came out absolutely amazing, and I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.